Hi guys, I have another unusual model kit build video for you. That is the Welsh Models Supermarine Scimitar in 144 scale. Why is it unusual? Because this is another vacuform kit here in this channel. And vacuform kits are unusual, I think. You don't know nothing about Welsh models? Well, don't worry, I didn't either before I bought this kit. But the company is still exists, so let me read a few thoughts from their website. We are aircraft kit model business based in South Welsh, United Kingdom. We are proud of our Welsh heritage, and the Welsh dragon proudly adorns our kits and website alike. The business was started in 1979 by the owner Denzil Wade. The initial few 144 scale kits were somewhat basic by today's standards, but the company became known for its accuracy of scale and shape, two all-important factors expressed as necessary by the modelers themselves. So here is an unusual model kit from a lesser-known factory, from a rare airplane. Can I increase this further? Actually, yes, I can. Most modelers that I know have afraid to start a vacuform kit just because there is very little source available how to build them. So I thought I make a basic tutorial video how to build a vacuform kit. If you are interested, just follow me. Step 1. Cut the plastic sprue to more manageable small parts, but do not throw away the excess plastic, because it will be needed sometimes. Step 2. Gently cut around the parts. By the way, what is this mystic scissor what I use? Well, that's a straight pruning shears, available in every garden store. The internet is flooded with life hacks. Here is mine. It's easy to find the correct shape if you use a permanent marker, especially if you don't have young eyes. Every part is as thick as the sprue, so the parts must be thinned down. The canopy is cutted by using the same method as the other parts, but more carefully, because vacuform canopies are flimsy and floppy. When every part is cutted, you must choose how detailed do you want your vacuform kit. Here I build a cockpit, but if I choose not to cut a hole for it and just paint the place of the cockpit black is also acceptable. If you build a vacuform kit, you improvise a lot. I should call this build as improvise build. You will see later what I mean. But anyway, here is a generic cockpit and seat and pilot combo from Dragon model kits. Dragon used this combo for all of their 144 scale model kits in the 90s. If Dragon ever release the Scimitar, trust me, you will find this combo also in their box. For the first side, the instruction looks like a painting guide only, but it is more than that. It is a one-to-one drawing of the model kit, which helps to measure which parts fits where. This is usual for vacuform kit instructions. Let's talk about why is it still interesting to build a vacuform kit in 2024. Definitely because of the building experience. This experience is very similar when you build a paper airplane. You cut the parts, you made them fit, glue them. It looks difficult, but it's not. When I was young, in my country, vacuform kits was the most cheapest way to make plastic airplanes. It was a real beginner's dream. Still is. But nowadays, modern vacuform kit makers have another goal, to find a rare airplane what other manufacturers are not interested in. For example, this is the only 144 scale Scimitar kit on the market. Often the original vacuform panel lines are too prominent, they are too thick. If they are, then you have a few choices. Sand the surface to thin the panel lines down, or in the painting phase do not use black panel line color to make the panel lines more prominent. In this case the original panel lines was quite good, but they was scarce. let's chat about the Scimitar's weaponry. As I know, the Scimitar filled the fighter bomber role very short time, because it was replaced very quickly by more superior types like the Buccaneer. After that it was used as mid-air refuel plane. But I wanted to build a fighter bomber version, and here is a screw what I can't understand. I am pretty sure that British guided missiles was available at that time. I searched pictures about the weapon layout, and almost all of the cases it was equipped with American-made weapons, like the Sidewinder rocket and the Bullpup missile, and some rocket pads. No British weapons. Why? So I decided to make the version with the 4 Sidewinders. If you know the answer to my question, please let me know in the comment section. The painting phase is the same when I build a regular model kit. The kit has a simple two-tone pattern with white underside and deep sea blue upper side. Usually this is the point when I say that I'm almost in the finish line. Everything is straightforward and everything is alright. But this time, is it? Now you see me checking the decals and the point when I realize that not every decals are there, and not because some previous owner lost it, just because the missing decals was never there. Oh my! But this is still a nice model kit, so I have to do something to finish it. Let's check it what's missing. If we have luck, only numbers and letters missing. If not, there are missing badges and drawings too. Let's see. And it looks that I had luck today. This list consists only letters and numbers, which is good because for a short time I thought I will be not able to continue building this plane. So the next step is decaling. The original decals are not scattered around. The cutting job is my job, and finding the missing decals is also my job. I think the Welsh modelers will make me public enemy number 1 if I don't finish this model kit. So I tried hard, and I found the last missing letters from marked decals, and I ordered them from the other side of the globe, from Canada. Now we can say that I am almost in the finish line. Everything is straightforward, and everything is alright. I hope you liked my work. Thank you for watching.